Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make n the subject in this formula. So the first thing we are going to do here is to eliminate this square root. To eliminate the square root, we have to square it. We introduce the opposite operation, which is square root. We're going to square, and whatever you do on this side, you do on the other side. So we're going to have t squared equals to square root n plus t over n. So we're going to square this up. So this square we cancel out this square root, we cancel out this square, and so we're going to have t squared equals to n plus 3 all over n. So now that we have this, we have to eliminate the fraction, and to do that we're going to multiply this by n and multiply this side by n. So this becomes t squared times n equals to n times n plus 3 all over n. So this one we're going to cancel out this, so you're going to have t squared times n will become t squared n equals to n plus 3. So you can see you have t squared n equals to n plus 3. So the idea is to make n the subject of the formula. So you notice that n appears on both sides. So because n appears on both sides, so we're going to bring them together. So you have t squared, and so when you move n from this side to the other side, it becomes a negative. N equals to 3. So we can see that both sides, there's n here, t squared n, and the other side there's n. So the best thing to do at this point in time is to factorize, so as to pull out one of the n out of this place. So we're going to factorize right now. So we're going to factorize. Let's move this on to the other side. So factorize it. So we're going to have n bracket n squared minus 1 equals to equals to 3. So this was going to be, so now we're going to divide both sides by t squared minus 1. So it's going to be n t squared minus 1 divided by t squared minus 1. The same thing we'll do here, 3 divided by t squared minus 1. So this one will cancel out this one. So we're going to have n equals to 3 over t squared minus 1. So now we can see n is now the subject of this formula all by itself. So this is the answer. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more math lesson. Thank you, and God bless you.